Mukabagarura Godeliva and Jendahimana Jeanne. We found them in the rice plantation in Kabuye wetland located in Gasabo district. Both find it difficult to get good yields due to the fact that the wetland is drying up. As you can see, the rice is in bad shape due to the water source shortage. We only get good yields during the rainy season when the waters extend this side. If we happen to find seeds that can resist dry spells, we would opt for that because there are times we fail to get rain for a long time. Mukabagarura and Jendahimana are not the only farmers worried about getting low yields. Uwamahoro Agnes and her colleague Uwimana Francois have also planted maize in the Nyagisenyi refugees wetlands, but the long dry season has caused their farmland to dry up. They are calling for assistance with irrigation and pesticides. Pesticides are very expensive since they are not on the subsidy, whereby the ones we use are at 2,000 Rwandan francs. They should be subsidized to make them affordable for us to increase our yields. We will get no yields. At least you should give us about 5 machines in this swamp and we try watering it by hand and see if there is anything we can harvest. Otherwise, the weather is too bad. It is confusing to plant maize for a week without germinating, yet they usually grow from 4 to 5 days. One of the key demands of farmers is to increase the amount of organic fertilizers, as it has been found to significantly increase the rate of agricultural production, but they say it is very expensive.
We have
163 hectares to grow a variety of vegetables, including French beans and maize. When we count the fertilizer trucks we need, it is at a cost of more than 20 million Rwandan francs per season in manure. 20 million is a lot of money, of which we would invest in farming. We managed to get fertilizers at the same time taking care of our animals. According to farmers, some of the seeds exported to Rwanda are not productive. They say they are happy that the multiplication of seeds is being done domestically. Ishimwe Emmanuel, the project executive secretary, finds it necessary to put a lot of effort into multiplying high-yielding seeds. What researchers need to put in more efforts is to ensure that these seeds that are multiplied in the country are given a high-yielding capacity. The maize we are currently getting is up to 6.8, yet we usually yield between 10 to 12 tons, so that means we still have a long way to go. But through the increase of farmers, day-to-day interaction of agronomists with farmers, use of fertilizers among others, we shall make it. Agricultural expert and lecturer at the University of Rwanda in the Department of Agriculture, Dr. Ukozehasi Celestine, says that increasing agricultural production in Rwanda and achieving the country's target by 2024 requires wetland management, mountain irrigation and greenhouse farming. Having small spaces for the activity can be fixed in a way that we should use our land wisely. Instead of planting 2 seasons, we make it a whole year. In wetlands, you can cultivate at all times if at all it is well prepared. And in the mountains, you can cultivate using irrigation, let it be on rainy or sunny days, which makes it possible to continue harvesting for the whole year. There is also another thing called greenhouse, which makes it possible for one to cultivate for the whole year without any pause, maintaining the flow of yields, but here you require irrigation as well.
Akaba yakora ibintu bimeze nk'ama etage akagenda ahingiraho aho guhinga ku butaka buryo icyo gihe bwa buso dafite ku butaka tukaba twabubona mu kirere.
Rwanda's 7-year government program for 2017 to 2024 predicts that maize, potatoes, beans and fruit production will double, and rice, wheat, cassava, sweet potatoes, soya beans and vegetables will increase by 30% by 2024. Under the 7-year plan, Rwanda aims to increase the level of fertilizers used per hectare from 32% by farmers to 75% per hectare by 2024, and by land-based farmers using selective seeds from 50% in 2017 to 75% no later than 2024. The economic plan predicts that irrigation will increase from 48,508 hectares in 2017 to 102,284 hectares in 2024. Mechanical farming will range from 25% to 50%. The land consolidation plan will go from 635,603 hectares in 2017 to 980,000 hectares by 2024.